So today we're going to be changing the tires of this bike right here. These are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a ratchet with the socket set to the same size as your bolt. You're going to need an Allen set, and you're also going to need 2 tire levers. So first you're going to take off the tire with the ratchet. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be deflating this tire, but you won't need to do that because your tire is already going to be flat. So now we have a flat tire, and I'm going to show you how to put in the tire levers. You want to put in the tire levers on the other side of this valve. So first we're going to put in the tire levers with this part in here, and you're going to kind of hook it in there and then attach it right there like that. Do this with the other tire lever, just like that. And now you're going to kind of want to move the tire levers along here until you get to the valve. And now we'll just pop the valve out of here so that we can get the inner tube out. So now we want to patch the tire. So the first thing you want to do is to rate the spot around the hole with this thing. This will come in a patch kit that you can get at basically any store for less than $5. Then you put some of this glue on and around the hole. And then you'll put one of these patches on the hole. Then you'll want to hold that for up to 5 minutes until it is completely dry. The first thing you want to do is put the valve back into this hole right here. So just get the valve in there and squeeze it in like that. Next, you'll just put the inner tube into the tire like this. Do it sort of equally on both sides. Make sure that there's nothing sticking out or anything like that. Next, you're going to want to use the tire levers to put the tire back in here. Now we'll just kind of run this along here. There. Now you have your tire back in. And now you can reinflate the tire. Inflate it to the PSI that it says on the tire. So now we're going to put the tire back on the bike. So now we're just going to put this through here and put it through these things right here. So now we're going to tighten it back down with the ratchet. Now you're ready to go out and do some sick tricks. And remember to be safe.
Thanks for watching. Have a rad day.